Okay, today we're going to learn how to use passive voice with 被. So first let's see the difference between active voice and passive voice. Active voice is when the subject is the one doing the action. For our example sentences, we're going to use this word 拒绝, which means to reject. 我拒绝她了. In this sentence, 我 is the subject and 拒绝 is the action. This is active voice because the subject, I, am the one doing the rejecting. Passive voice is when the subject receives the action. So instead of I rejected her, we'll say I was rejected by her. 我被她拒绝了. The subject and the action are the same, but now we have 被 to mean was, to show that I was rejected. And if there's a noun after 被, then that noun is the one doing the action on the subject. So 我被她拒绝了 means I was rejected by her. If there's no noun after 被, that works too. We just don't know who or what did the action. 我被拒绝了 means I was rejected. So let's look at some quick dialogues. Feel free to pause if you want to read at your own pace. 你的中文怎么这么好呢？我是被父母强迫去中文学校学中文的。我是被父母强迫去中文学校学中文的。Dialogue 2. 我回来了。你怎么这么早回家了呢？你被老板炒鱿鱼了吗？ In case you don't know, this 炒鱿鱼 means to fire somebody, but literally it means to fry a squid. So 你被老板炒鱿鱼了吗 means were you fired by your boss? Dialogue 3. 他们会把包裹放在门口。那万一被别人拿走了怎么办？那就没办法了。So this 万一 is pretty interesting. It's used like what if something happens, or just in case something happens, or by some chance something happens. And if we switch the characters around, we get 1,000, which means 10,000. And there's this 8-character phrase, 不怕一万，就怕万一. The idea is better safe than sorry, but we can break apart the meanings. 不怕一万 I believe means like you're not afraid of 10,000 good things happening. And 就怕万一 means that you're afraid of 万一 something happening. 万一 can be interpreted as 万分之一, 1 over 10,000. Like there's a 1 over 10,000 chance of that bad thing happening, but this is an exaggeration. The definition we went over before was like by some chance something happened. So the idea is that the chance of that thing happening is just low. So 万一被别人拿走了怎么办 means what if by some chance it is taken by someone else, what would you do? 老师，生日快乐！谢谢你，但是今天口语考试，我不能让你走后门。 被你发现了。走后门 literally means to take the back door. And the idea is to pull strings, like to use someone's influence to achieve something. In our case, it'd be getting on the teacher's good side so that they're more lenient in grading the speaking test. So, 我不能让你走后门 means that the teacher won't let you influence them. They won't go easy on you just because you said happy birthday.